Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this MOXE, M-O-X-E, aromatherapy. This is, okay, we're going to take a look, and we're actually going to test it out too. Okay, these are kind of cool, okay? So inside of here, it's got all these little things. They look like little chapstick containers. We got eucalyptus, lavender, peppermint, lemon, clove, bergamot, I forget how to pronounce that, tea tree, and frankincense even. And then each one, it says 100% pure essential oil. Well, you can see that right there. Okay. And I'm going to try the eucalyptus one. Okay. Oh, and then it comes with a thing. So like eucalyptus, cool, piney, invigorating aroma. And it goes on. It kind of says which one should be used for which thing as well. And it's even got lemon. I think I forgot to mention it has lemon. Okay. So we're going to try eucalyptus. Opening it up, you just kind of pull it out just like that. You can kind of shake it a little bit if you want. And then deep breath. Oh man, that, whew. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Woo! I really do like these. I've tried some before, and I do like them.